Assalamualaikum. Today, we want to present about our group assignment, which is for IMS 607. The title is Training System for BEAU, prepared by me, Nurul Syarafika, and my friends Nadatul Husna, and the other one is Siti Hamza. Business rules for BEAU Studio Editing System is user registrations. A user must register with a valid email address to create an account. User must provide basic personal information such as name, date of birth, and contact details during registrations. The second one is course enrollment. User can enroll in multiple courses. Each course has a specific enrollment period. User must enroll within these time frames. User must meet only prerequisites before enrolling in advanced courses. Course management. Courses are categorized into specific categories such as beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Each course must belong to one and only one category. Course must have clearly defined objective, syllabus, and assessment criteria. Next is ELD. So user to course entity one user, a person using the e-learning system, and user can be enrolled in several courses. Entity two course, the course available on this e-learning system. Each course can have several users enrolled in the course. Relationships enrolls this many-to-many relationship will be handled through an associative entity called enrollment. It is an intermediate table that keeps track of which users are enrolled in which courses. Cardinality. One user can be enrolled in many courses, which is one to many, and one courses can contain many user enrolled one to many. So next is enrollment to course. Entity one. Enrollment and entity showing the enrollment which act like bridge between user and courses. Entity 2 course represent the courses available in the system. Relationship has enrollment list one to many relationships. Simply means that each enrollment instance is attached to only one course, while course can have several instances of enrollment. Cardinality, each enrollment is related to one only course, which is one to many. Next is course to course category. Course to course category entity one. Course one course it is the entity describing the courses available within the system. Entity two course category. It is the entity representing the categories that courses belong to. The relationship belongs to one to many. A relationship will define that each course will belong to one course category, but a course category can have multiple courses. Cardinality, each course belong to one course category. So the data dictionary. So for the user table, we have user ID, username, name, email, password, role, OB, and number contact. And our data type is INT for user ID, username for baca, name baca, email baca, password baca, role baca, OB is date, and context baca. So next is category course category table. They have two category table ID and name. The data type is INT and baca. Next is course table. We have course ID, title, description, duration, category, and pattern. For course ID, your data type is INT. The title baca, description also baca, duration baca, category INT, for pattern ID is timestamp. Next is enrollment table. We have enrollment ID, user ID, course ID, enrollment date, progress, and completion date. For enrollment ID, we use INT, user ID, INT, enrollment date, progress decimal, completion state is date. So that's it for me. I pass it to my friends.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Siti Nurhaliza and I'm going to present about our Chinese system database. So, as you can see here, we have three main divisions: courses, course category, and enrollment and user. And there's one bridge entity which is the enrollment. The first we have the courses. So this is the courses, and um, it has its own it has the course ID, title, description, duration, category, created and updated end. Next we have the course category. The course category we have course category ID and name. For the enrollment, we have the enrollment ID, user ID, course ID, enrollment date, progress.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I would like to continue on the BEAU Studio, our website. So first thing first, this is our login page. You guys can see here we have username and password. And if you want to keep it stay to the website, you can keep it me so it will stay to the website. So next, let's go to the registration form before we go to the website. This is the registration form. You need to put the username, full name, email, password. Need to type again the password for the validation and confirmation. And then this is the date of birth that you guys need to put, and number contact. And you guys can also uh, agree to the term before enter to our website. And after read and everything, you guys can select the button registration. So let's go back to the main login page and enter to the website. So here is the home and the dashboard of our website. So what you can see here, you can see all the information, user registration, the progress, and how many unique visitors that have been visit our website. So in the main page, you guys can see also we have the mini profile here, and a bit about you guys will be in the main profile also, and have the timeline that you guys can see the activity and in the FYP that the other user been posting in their FYP. So this is the timeline also, whatever happened in our website. And you guys can also setting everything about your profile on the menu. So let's move on to the course page. So this is the course page that will start with the display. You guys can see the name of the subject that we have: makeup business essential, basic makeup skincare, natural skincare formula, and whatever the the course that we have. So first, I will show you the add course. But in the add course, as to the admin, you guys can add the course, description, and the category. And after that, you guys can also edit it If anything to add on or they have some mistake, you guys can edit. And then we also have delete button that if you don't want to the course to be here anymore, you can delete it. And the detail is you guys can see uh the description of the course. So let's move on to enrollment. In enrollment, we display as a table, and you can add enrollment based on user ID, course ID, enrollment date, and completion date. So here also we can edit if have some mistake or to add on. So you guys can delete if you want to delete the user. Uh, and then this is the detail of each user, and you guys can read everything. So for the profile, we don't have the detail because of it's not necessary for us, because when you select to the display user, you can see every information of every user that we have. So in here also we can add the user. But here, uh, other than yeah, I mean, other than add the user, we can also add their role, uh, and username, email, password, role, date of birth, and contact. So after that, you guys can also edit if any mistake, and then delete if you want to delete any user. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.